Welcome guys to today's video. We're going to talk about services that you can offer in your tax and accounting firm. So let's get started. All right, guys, welcome. If you are new to me, my name is Krista Tyus, and I teach tax and accounting professionals how to utilize social media to get paid clients consistently and grow multiple six-figure virtual firms. So come on over. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. Make sure you turn on your notifications and join the community. All right, guys, so let's talk about all of the services that you can offer in your tax and accounting firm that's really going to help you scale past the multiple six-figure level, right? Most of my clients that work with me, they want to make over $250,000 per year. And if you do the math, that's only about $20,000 per month, right? And a lot of my clients get to their first $10,000 month within the first 3 to 6 months of us working together. So this is absolutely possible for you even after 1 year to scale to the $250,000 level in your tax and accounting firm. But let's talk about some of the services that you're actually going to be offering, right? So the very first one that I want to talk about is tax resolution. Right? Tax resolution is a very popular service, especially for those that are seeking the enrolled agent licensure. Tax resolution is where you help your client resolve their tax debt. Okay. And you can do this a few different ways. The most common way that you've probably heard is an offer in compromise. So this is where you go to the Internal Revenue Service with your client's financials and you say, hey, IRS, my client owes $20,000. But if, looking at their paperwork, they are insolvent, they have no savings, they have no assets. Can we settle this tax debt for $100, right? And this is where the Internal Revenue Service will look at the offer in compromise and say, and start to do their due diligence, really start to go through and verify that what the client is presenting is accurate, right? And if the IRS finds that their financial picture is insolvent, that they really cannot afford to pay off this tax debt in a reasonable amount of time and that it will cause undue hardship, about 30 to 40% of the time, the IRS will actually accept the offer in compromise, right? So this is where you can successfully, significantly reduce or eliminate your client's tax debt, right? But that is, if you heard that statistic, only about 30 to 40% of the people that apply for OIC actually gets approved. The other types of tax resolution that you can help your client with is just setting up an installment agreement, right? You can help them with currently not collectible, which is where the IRS will actually stop collections on this client. However, they are still incurring penalties, right? Right. So these are different types of tax resolution services that you can offer in your tax and accounting firm. Okay. The other type of service is bookkeeping, right? And the reason why I tell people to add in bookkeeping, one, it's compliance work. Most, if not all businesses need bookkeeping, and it's going to allow you to build up what I call monthly recurring revenue. And this is a beautiful aspect in your business is because you get one client and you get paid on that client every single month. And this is how you build a long-term sustainable business by really building up your MRR. So bookkeeping is just what it is. It's you reconciling the bank account. It's you, categorizing the transactions. You are posting journal entries and you're running the financial reports each and every month. You're running your client's profit and loss, their balance sheet, and their cash flow analysis, right? There are different types of bookkeeping that you can also offer, such as accounts receivable, accounts payable. You can also do very specific one-off accounting jobs, such as job costing, things like that to help your clients make better decisions and to really track and measure their progress. The other type of service that you can offer in your tax and accounting firm is CFO Services. And CFO Services is where you are the financial partner. You're the financial liaison. You're the financial strategist of your client's business, right? So your client is the CEO. They are, thinking of the overarching strategy that they want to take their business, and you are their CFO, their chief financial officer that is actually helping them make strategic financial decisions that is going to meet their objectives and meet their goals for their business. So this is definitely a higher value service. This is where you look at your clients' KPIs, their key performing indicators, and you really help them track and measure them, right? You're looking to see, well, what indicates success for this business and what activities do we need to track to make sure that success is obtained, right? The other type of service is tax planning services, right? I absolutely love tax planning services because it allows you to help your clients strategically lower their tax liability, right? And this is what, in the essence of what tax planning is where you're looking to see, well, what are some, structuring activities? What are some credits? What are some deductions? You're looking to see all these layering activities, deferring income or accelerating expenses. You're looking to see all of these different activities that you can help your clients implement that will actually reduce their tax liability, right? Save them tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes eliminate their tax liability altogether. So tax planning is another high value service that you can charge, a very pretty penny for, because you're actually helping your clients receive a very dollar for dollar cash value, right? So these are just 4 of the different types of services that I have that you can actually offer in your tax and accounting firm to help you scale to that multi-6-figure level and beyond. And structured the right way, if you offer these 4 services within your firm, you will be able to get to $250,000 in record time, and you will be able to start to build a long-term sustainable business. Now, the key caveat is you still need to niche down, right? So we're offering 4 different services, but we're offering 4 different services for one particular type of industry or niche. So you could be the go-to person for the cannabis industry or the trucking industry or the manufacturing, the restaurant, right? You can offer these 4 different services for a very specific industry and master the industry, right? Master these services, become the best at it. And honestly, this is how you want to, go about running your business, because this is actually going to help you scale even faster. Okay. All right, guys. So what other services are you offering in your tax and accounting firm? Go ahead and drop them below, and I'll catch you guys in the next training video. Bye, guys.